This is our yearly activity, no? The Agape. Taon-taon po nating ginagawa ito. No? But of course, with different groups and different students who are either graduating or in our case today, those who are moving up. But did you know that the first Agape happened especially with our gospel today? Ito yung, I think, yung unang agape. One of the famous accounts in the gospel. John 3:16. For God so loved the world, He gave His only begotten Son. Agape. It's our response to the love that has been shown to us by God. It is not just about moving to senior high school. Also, it's about moving closer to the person God envisions you to be. Moving up means you have the courage to move on, which we siguro palaging nahihirapan tayong gawin kapag broken-hearted tayo. Mahirap mag-move on. But in moving up, there's no other way but to move on from everything else. For the completers today, junior high may have felt like a prison. What kind of prison? Maybe because of difficulty in the exams, not just because of studies. And moving up is our angel today, opening the door. You are being sent out not just to study or to study more, but to testify to what you have learned at NDGM, in your classrooms, with your teachers, or with and among your classmates. It's about friendship, integrity, and faith. Now, the challenge for all of us, especially in junior high, is to move on. God is telling us today, I love you because, not just because you are cool or you are the brightest in the classroom, or just because you are funny, not only because you are smart, but God says, I love you because you are a child of God. You are my child. Not because of what you can do, not because of what you have accomplished, not because of what you have done. God loves you, and I bet your parents love you because of who you are. And that's the first agape. And God did it first. For God so loved the world, or for God so loved you so much and deeply, He gave His only begotten Son. For you, none other, because of you. Or for God so loved you so much and deeply, He gave His only begotten Son. For you, none other, because of you.
This occasion is more than just gathering. It is a reflection of love, unity, and the journey our children have taken together. This reminds us of the importance of sharing, caring, and appreciating one another as one family and as one community. Today is not just a celebration of what you have finished, but a reminder of what you are capable of becoming. Dream big, stay grounded in your values, and carry forward the lessons you have learned, and continue to carry the values of Notre Dame of Greater Manila: faith, respect, integrity, commitment, and competence. Congratulations, and may your journey ahead be filled with purpose and success.
Ang sandaling ito ay hindi lang pagtatapos ng isang taon, kundi pagtatapos ng isang mahalagang yugto sa ating buhay. Nagpapasalamat tayo sa Diyos sa Kanyang patnubay at biyaya. Sa bawat pagsubok na ating hinarap, sa bawat pagod at pag-aalinlangan, Siya ang naging sandigan natin. Sa bawat tagumpay, siya rin ang ating naging gabay. Sa ating mga magulang at tagapag-alaga, maraming salamat po sa walang sawang pagmamahal, suporta at sakripisyo. Habang tayo ay patuloy na sumusulong, naway manatili sa ating puso ang pasasalamat at pagpapakumbaba. Hanggang sa muli nating pagkikita, Dreamers! Maraming salamat at pagbati sa ating lahat.
Sayaw, may dulong pala ang langit. Kaya't sabay tayong bibitaw sa ating huling sayaw. Di na malayan na, malalim na ang gabi. Pero ayoko sanang magmadali. Kay tamis, kay sarap, ngunit ito na ang huli. Kailangan na yata nating umuwi.
Hawakan mo aking kamay bago tayo maghiwalay. Lahat-lahat ibibigay, lahat-lahat.
Paalam sa ating huling sayaw. May dulong pala ang langit. Kaya't sabay tayong bibitaw sa ating huling sayaw. Paalam sa ating huling
Alam na sa
sayaw.
ating
May
huling
dulong